One word can destroy your ego but save your relationship. Wanted to know what it is? It's just 5 letters. Sorry. Do you know what one of the hardest words for many people to say is sorry? It's such a small word, yet so many people struggle to say it because of ego, anger, or simply because they don't want to admit they are wrong. Even when we know deep inside that we were made a mistake, we often feel that saying sorry makes us look weak. But the truth is, apologizing is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of maturity. A genuine apology means understanding how your actions made someone else feel and taking responsibility for them. Many relationships does not break because of the mistake itself. They break because of the silence that follow when ego take over, distance grows. But one sincere apology can reduce pain, heal misunderstandings, and even rebuild broken trust. Always remember, a real apology is more than just saying the word sorry. It comes from the heart. It has no excuses, no blame, only sincerity. Sometimes one genuine apology can close a distance that has existed for years because in relationships, winning an argument is not always the greatest victory. Sometimes saving the relationship is. If this message touch your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meaningful life lessons. And remember, a sincere sorry can change everything.